Hello, people. My name is IreneZab, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, like, comment, share, and welcome to the family. So today I'm going to take you through our roads here in Nanyuki. Most of the roads here are under construction. So please come with me so that you can see the good progress. And I want to appreciate all of you for the support. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting me.